first video. Yeah, this is my first video I made. Don't question anything. By the way, I am 8. Yeah, 8. Pretty young, right? I will not be talking much because you know, I'm 8 and I'm shy. I will try on making to the end. Hope everything goes well. This is pretty bad crying glitch. I'm not gonna slow down the volume. Yeah, I will do that. Frick. Oh, no. Oh, let's just skip. Skip. Done. I'm gonna click this butter block. Probably an accident, but probably not an accident. Yeah, no, an accident. See, that was too easy. I'll just get the chest and end the video right now. When I respawn, I will end it. Okay, there.